Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to test out few of the new launches. I don't have too many of them, but there are some really interesting ones that I wanted to try and I thought let's do it together. Next, I'm going to apply a primer. So primer I have is NYX Plump Right Back. I'm not sure if I've shown this to you guys. I've not used it much. This is a plumping serum plus primer. This has electrolytes. It's not extremely slippery or silicone like your Lakme gel primer and all, but it feels very nice and moisturizing. I think it's going to work brilliantly if you have dry skin. It's pretty tacky, so I think the foundation is going to stick on the top of it very well. For foundation, I have Maybelline Fit Me Tint. This is Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint with SPF 50 plus vitamin C. There are 6 shades available and I have all of them, so I'm going to quickly swatch them. This is 1, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Now as per the brand, these tints are supposed to be very lightweight. I'm going to use number 8. Though it looks like a nice match on my hand, but when I apply it, it looks slightly lighter than my complexion. As per the brand, this is a light tint with SPF 50 and vitamin C. So it is good for every day. It's going to give you very natural coverage. As you can see, I think I should have used a brush, but I have not prepared a brush with me. I'm going to go ahead with the sponge, but you should use it with a brush, otherwise your sponge is going to soak it up. And I'm kind of disappointed with the brand because they have launched 6 shades and none of them are suitable for medium deep skin tone. Barely any coverage, like natural finish. I'm going to take a bit more of it and I'm going to use my fingers to blend it now. We'll see if fingers do a better job. Now fingers are blending it very quickly, very nicely, but the coverage remains the same. There isn't much coverage. I don't have a new concealer, so I'm going ahead with my MAC Studio Fix concealer. I'm going to use a compact to just set my makeup in place. Also, since the color of the tint is not a good match, my skin looks even toned now because I have just applied a compact. But I completely forgot about my blush. I was going to use newest launch by Disguise Cosmetics. This is their lip and cheek tint and this one is in deep pink dunes. So I should have applied my cream blush before my powder, but now I can't do anything, so I'm just going with my blush on the top of it. So the blushes from this range, I have applied a lot of blush. The only problem with powder, like cream on powder, is that it can be a bit patchy. These tints are nice, very pigmented. As you can see, it's very pigmented. Colors are very nice. I think they have launched 8 shades and I have so far tried 3 and I like them. They are not too creamy, too slippery. They work really well. So right now there is a lot of blush on my face, but believe me, tints tend to fade quicker. So I'm going to leave it just like this, and I like it because it is creamy but it is not extremely greasy or slippery. This color is very pretty. It's like an orchid, like purplish pink color. It blends very beautifully, as you can see. For my brows, I have this product from Revolution. This is Makeup Revolution Soap Brows, and what you have to do, you have to spray some water on the top of it, rub your spoolie and then push your brows up. It's going to freeze your brows in place. Okay, it works. Wow. I'm pretty happy that it is working because my brows don't stay in place. I don't have too much brows, but whatever I have, it just doesn't stay in place. So I'm very happy. Next, I'm going to try out some body shimmer oil. So I got my hands on these body shimmer oils from Plum Body Loving range, and I was very excited because I've not tried any body shimmer oil from an Indian brand. So as you can see, there are 3 shades available. Now these are going to be a hybrid, like makeup skincare hybrid with skin loving ingredients and a very nice finish. So I have 3 shades: Rose Gold, Peach Glow and Copper Sheen. Here are the swatches. So we have Rose Gold, Peach Glow and Copper Sheen. I'm going to apply Copper Sheen because I think it's going to look really good on my skin tone. Now this is a body highlighter and it is non-greasy in texture. I'm going to take out a little bit on the back of my hand like this and apply it on my neck and my décolletage area to add some nice shine. I think this product is going to look really good if you are going out for a party and you just want to add a little highlight, and it's not too much, it's not too blingy. See, it blends really well and it gives a very nice shine when you move around. It catches light and it's not too much. There is a very light spray of shimmer and the color is really good for me. I think Copper Sheen is a very nice color if you are of my complexion or if you are deeper than me. There is a very nice subtle shine, but it's not like, you know, in your face glittery liquid. It has a very nice sheen. And the fragrance of this body oil is Everything Plum, and I have a perfume of it as well. So if you layer them, the fragrance is going to last you a long time, and I really like the fragrance of Everything Plum. It is very fresh and I really like it. So if you are attending a wedding, you can apply it on your décolletage area, on your back as well. It's going to look really nice if you are wearing a deep neck blouse or deep dress, and otherwise you can also use it on your legs if your dress is short. It's going to look really good on legs as well. It is non-greasy, non-sticky, so it's not going to transfer or feel greasy on your legs. I really like how it blends beautifully, very, very quickly. You can buy the body shimmer oil from Plum on Plum's website. There are a lot of good deals and discounts and offers going on. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now I do not have a new eyebrow product, so I'm going to fill it and come back. Now talking about new products, I have new eyeshadow singles from Mars. These are the 3 colors and as you can see, these are beautiful. It's Mars Northern Lights. This is shade number 4, Canadian Gleam. This is what I'm going to use on my eyes. I'm going to use my finger. So it has gold. There is a gold and purple reflex. This is very, very, very pretty. Mars always surprises with beautiful products and there is no fallout. It's very smooth. These are the 3 eyeshadows and as you can see, there are so many colors. So I'm not going to do too much on my eyes. I'm happy with how they are looking right now. I might add eyeliner. So I've done my lashes. I've applied Mars Forget Falsies mascara, which is like one of my favorite affordable mascaras. And I've also applied eyeliner. This is ColourPop's eyeliner. I think my eye makeup looks nice and I'm going to use a lip liner today. This is also from Mars. So Mars sent me a couple of their new launches. So this is Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade number 3 Bloodbath. This is a very nice deep maroonish brown color. This is a pencil eyeliner, but it's very creamy. This color is very pretty and this liner, like the formula of this lip liner, is also very nice. I'm very happy with how the whole makeup has turned out. I can't say the same thing about the foundation, like the tint. It is kind of an okay product. So let's conclude the video, whatever we have tried today. So let's start with the primer. I like the primer. It is nice, moisturizing and tacky, which means it's going to hold on to your foundation and make it last longer than it will without makeup or without primer. I also really like the body shimmer. The body shimmer is very nice. It is very subtle and when I'm shifting and moving, it's catching light, but there is not too much going on. It's very subtle and it is very nice, and I think the product is actually very nice and it also smells really nice. Next, I really like the soap brows. Even now after filling and doing my brows look absolutely fabulous. They are just sticking to their place. And I also love the eyeshadow. These eyeshadows are beautiful. The formula is so smooth. The colors are so good. The one that I've applied on my eyes is very pretty. It has purple with some green shift and then there is gold. So all in all, I like, in the end, I think my makeup looks okay. despite the failings of the base makeup. So I'm going to link all the products that I have shown you in today's video in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Let me know which product you like the most out of all the products that I've tried today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.